In today's puppet theatre, we are going to see the story about the elephant and the ant. Once upon a time in a jungle, there lived a huge elephant. He was bigger than the other animals. He was very proud of that. Ha ha ha! I am the biggest of all the animals in the jungle. Ha ha ha! As he was bigger than the other animals, he used to tease them a lot. Oh no! Don't do anything to me! Please don't do anything! Then go away! Don't be here! In the same jungle, there lived a family of ants who were very hardworking. They work all the day long to gather their food for the season which they cannot come out. One fine day, the ants were gathering their food and the elephant started spraying water on them. Oh, stop! Why are you doing this? Go away! Don't come in my way! The ant asked the elephant, why are you doing like this to us? We are gathering our food. If you come in my way, I will do like this only. Go away, otherwise I'll stamp you. Oh no, I'll go away. What can we do this cruel elephant? He is very much troubling us. We cannot do anything against him. He is very big. So we have to be quiet only. No, we should teach him a lesson. No, we cannot do anything against him. He is very big. Definitely, I will teach him a lesson. One fine day, the ants saw the elephant sleeping. So the ant decided to teach him a lesson now. See, you go and carry on with the work. I'll go do something and make him realize his faults. Okay. The elephant was far asleep. The ant decided to do something in making him realize his faults. So the ant just moved quietly, climbed up on the elephant and walked to his trunk.
Oh God, what happened to me? Something is there in my trunk. Oh, it is not coming out. Oh, it is troubling me. What is there inside? Come out, come out. Oh, what are you doing? Come out of my trunk. It's paining. Please don't bite.
No, I will never come out of your trunk unless you feel sorry for what you did for others. Like this only, others would have suffered.
Please come out of my trunk. I am very sorry for what I did. I realized my mistake. Thank God you came out of my trunk. It was very painful.
This is how others will feel when you trouble them. Please be good to others. Don't do any harm.
I am very sorry for what I have done. I have really did a very wrong thing. I will never do this again to anybody. I am very sorry.
They walked away peacefully. It is not the appearance that matters, but their good nature and the helping tendency. So, it is best if we do the good always. Moral of the story is, we should never make fun of others in any way. So, did you all